Well, we're back and we're with my friend Amy Payne, and she is going to help us get organized in the new year and beyond. Did you have a good New Year?
I
did.
Good
Christmas?
Yes.
Good,
very
good.
Much so.
Well, now people are thinking about vacations and travel. So what do we need to know? What are you going to do for us here?
Well, we're going to talk today about travel planning and just generally being organized for travel.
It makes a big difference.
Makes a big difference. Whether you're going for a quick night, a weekend, for business, for a full-on vacation, doesn't matter. It's very helpful to stay organized throughout the year for your travel.
Well, yes, throughout the year. Now, if we're getting ready to go, let's say on an extended vacation, help us decide what's job one. What do we do first?
Well, job one is planning. Where are you going to go? So when I research on the internet, I use Evernote to track all of my flights, hotels, any even research that I'm doing for future vacations. You can clip stuff from the internet and drop it into Evernote, or just save it to your computer. You can put it in a file folder instead if you don't use a program like Evernote, and just keep that information organized and handy so that it's all in one place, preferably synced to your smartphone so that if you need to access that information, you can. If you're old school, like some other people I know, you can print it out, make a little binder, track everything out, whatever works.
We used Evernote before we went to Paris. That way we could keep everything, you know, what restaurants we wanted to go to, flights, etc. So it was really good.
Right. You can tag things according to which area of town, even, things like that. So it's really wonderful. Keep a checklist of things that you typically take with you on a trip. You can add to or subtract depending on whether you're going camping or to Paris.
Yes.
You can plan accordingly, but if you keep a basic checklist of all the basic things, you're less likely to forget something.
Well, and again, the other thing that matters is, are you taking a carry-on or are you checking a bag?
Huge difference.
And
Huge difference.
Yeah, and it can cost you.
Yes, it can. So you want to pack as minimal as possible. The other thing that I see a lot when we work with clients is as we're organizing and going through things in their home, they're like, oh, well, yeah, that's, you know, oh, that's my pouch that I put my phone in when I go on a beach vacation. Oh, well, that's the hat that I wear only on vacation. Oh, well, this is the little, you know, the purse that I take with me. Oh, well, I only really use that on vacation. So instead, put a little bin together and keep all of your travel items organized.
See, that's
keep
why
them
you get
in your closet all the time, so that when it's time to pack, like I'm getting ready to go on a trip at the end of January, I can just reach in here. Here's my travel pillow. Here's my passport holder. Even things like clothing, like this is a skirt that I would only wear on a mission trip where you have to wear a skirt. Keep those kinds of clothing that you would only wear on certain trips in your bin.
That's good packing material too. You can wad this up, can't you? Just throw it in there.
Scrunch it up and stick it in there.
But that's a great idea. So just put it all in one tub. If you need a bigger one, get a bigger one.
Yes, I actually have 2 little tubs because they fit nicely on the top of my shelves. But keep it all in a tub. Keep it organized. Even things like laundry detergent, quarters. If you don't need those at home, why would you keep them around? But if you need them every time you go on a trip, make sure you throw them in your bin. Keep them in there. And that way at the end of your trip, you just put the things back in your closet that go in your closet, stuff that's travel only, throw it back in your bin, and you just stay organized all year round.
You can stay organized all year round and even before your trip. Thank you, Amy. We'll be back with more local lifestyles right after this. Stay with us.